A lot of us finding it difficult in getting foreign numbers for different purposes. Now I'm going to be showing you this particular platform which is actually tested and trusted that you get your OTP directly to your device. Now I'm going to be walking you through how you can get this started and how you can as well have access to your virtual numbers. But before I proceed guys, if you're coming across the channel for the first time, this is the voice of Joakim. So what I do right on this platform is to leverage online. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. Now, with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial of today. Now, the very first thing you want to do is to click the first link on the pinned comment section. Now, you are going to be brought to this text verified. Now, what this platform does is that it gives you numbers you can use for verification of anything you do online, be it Upwork, be it PayPal, be it anything at all. You are going to be seeing the description and what you need this particular virtual number for. So you need to create an account for yourself. As you can see right here, it says text verified. Don't want to give out your phone number? No problem, use ours. So what you're going to be doing right now is to come to this platform. You can see right here, it says real US mobile numbers backed by physical, compatible with all platforms. Protect your personal information from data breach and companies who resell your information. So what you're going to be doing is just very simple. You can see right here they have text and SMS, we have voice, we have numbers rentals, they have easy payments. Now you choose a service which you want right here. So this is the surface of which you are going to be seeing. What we offer, all phone numbers are from the US and can be bought in countries including the UK, South Africa, India, Canada, and France. Now, this is what you're going to be getting. Give out numbers instead of yours. So right here, this platform is going to be serving you more than what you expect. How to get started, sign up quickly, free and easy. We respect your privacy. Your account will be ready to use within minutes. So I'm going to be walking you through the process. But before that, you can come right here and see the reviews of other loved ones who have actually used this platform. Now, they said, literally took me 2 minutes to create a bunch of anonymous accounts for Twitter, Discord using your temporary phone number verification service. Good job, guys. Now, this is actually another person that says this hands down the best tool to bypass two-factor OTP codes. So you can see there are lots of them right here. Text verified provides the highest quality numbers. I have tried bunch of other verification services, but most of the time they don't work at all. I like how the numbers are non-VoIPs, so non-VoIP, so I can always get SMS verification for hard to get account like Tinder, and so these are personal reviews on this. So to get started, all you can actually do is to come right here and click on sign up, or you come right here and you click on this particular sign up button. Now you're going to insert your first name. So let me walk you through the registration process. I'm going to come right here and put in this, right? I'm also going to come right here and put in this. Let me go ahead to put in this. I'll put in the email address as well. So you come right here and insert your password. So the registration process is very easy. Just go ahead to follow the prompt and you are good to go. So I'm going to do this right here. And I'm also going to confirm my password right here. So the moment you do that, the next thing you want to do is to come right here and click on you verify you are human and you accept the terms of condition. Then once that is done, you also accept the privacy policy. So once all this is done, what you can actually do right now is to come right here and click on the sign up button. So we are going to click on this sign up button right here. You can see email confirmation has been sent. So you just have to confirm your email. So I'm going directly to my email to confirm my email. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to click right here. And I'm going to use the default browser, which I'm actually using right now. So you can see right now that my account will be verified. So you can see success continue. So you come right here and you log in with the details that you have provided. So I'm going to insert this and I'm going to click on next. And I'm going to also come right here and put in my password so I can as well log into this platform. So we can see how this platform operates. So we won't have to ask so many questions regarding this. So we verify we are human and we log in with password, right? So we are logging in right now. So you can see how the interface look like. So this is how it looks like. You can see right here, these are the credits. So when you come right here, you can see right here that we have card and crypto, right? So you come right here, right click on this particular option. You can see right here, inbox verification, rental support, and the likes of it. So come under this particular verification, you can see create SMS verification now, create a voice verification now. So you can actually need this, or you come right here and you go over to rentals. Now these are where you get the numbers. So you come right here and purchase for either rentals. You can see purchase new rentals. You come right here, you see overdue, you see back orders, you see history, you see billing, and the likes of this. So let's click on active. So right here, you need numbers, right? You are going to come right here and click on numbers, right? So this is where you can as well click on new rental. So you go ahead to click on new rental for this. Now, what service will you receive message from? Now you can see we have different services right here. We have 7-Eleven, we have there are lots of platforms right here, or you can come right here and search. Let's say we want to get this for Upwork. All right, you are going to see Upwork right here. So the moment you click on that, so you have to hold on for some minutes. You can see it right here. 1 day, duration 1 day. The length is actually here. You come right here under this. You can see we have the one for 30 days. Now, most people are complaining of getting higher rates of numbers, like the fee are so much. Now you can see right here for 1 day, this is the fonts you have to get this. So for 30 days, you can see it. For 90 days, as you can see that this is actually awesome and it's actually affordable. So you can see it right here. You can have auto renewal right here. You can choose a custom code right here. You can see that right here. Once you're done, go ahead to click on continue and you are good to go. Same applies to every services right here. Once you come right here, you can see new rental. You go ahead to click on new rental. Then once you click on new rental, you are going to select the service you want to use this for. Now, when you come right here, you are going to see what available numbers they have right here. Unless you actually have a specific number you want to use this for, maybe a particular survey, you can come right here and search for that particular number, right? So when you come right here, you search for that particular number. So I searched for 5 survey. You can see we have 5 survey, we have survey junkie and the likes of it. So you go ahead to click on 5 survey since you want to use that for your verification. Now they are going to be showing you if you want to use this number for just 3 days or just 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 90 days, 365 days, as the case may be. Now, a year on this particular number, you can see it right here. This is the actual amount you are going to be getting this. So that is the benefit of making this video, showing you how to get this number. Now, there are some other filters you can use right here. We have services right here. You can see it right here. We have tags, we have time left, and the likes of it. So what you want to do right now is to see that we have the zero balance on this. So you can as well come right here to get credit of this. You can see the 2 methods, crypto and card. So you go ahead to use any of which that suits you. So that is how to get your virtual number that works. This particular platform has not failed at all. That is why I'm bringing this to you. Now, when you come right here, you can see that they also have proxies, right? You can see it. How do I get started? We recommend using the extension proxy. So you can as well go ahead to see the mobile proxy they have right here and also take benefit of this. You can see why use proxy, why do your proxy works and the likes of it. Go through all this for your own understanding. Now, when you come right here, you are also going to be seeing the support system and you're also going to be seeing the verifications. Right now we have new SMS and we have new voice, as the case may be. Now you can see create an SMS verification now, create a voice. So it is actually optional right here. You can go ahead to click on new SMS verification, so you can see it right here. So this is actually what you can get right here. You can see WhatsApp. So once you go ahead to click on the one for paper right here, this SMS verification, you can see it right here. You do not have a required credit. So once you have a required credit, you can as well get your SMS verification for your PayPal and other benefits or other platforms you choose to go on verifying online. So that is how textverify.com works. It's actually very user friendly and we have been using this without any issues. So you have benefits of using this platform and guaranteed of your SMS code delivered to you in less than some seconds. So that is all you can actually get right now from this particular video. I hope you understood and got much value from this video. And if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them on the comment section below, and I'll be glad to give response to your questions and your comments. All right. However, it is always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group. You can find the link on the pinned comment section where you join this wonderful family to get updated on our next updates on this particular channel. See you on the next one and keep winning.